So what we have here today is a 2011 Aston Martin V12 Vantage Carbon Black Edition, of which they only made 60 for the US market, which makes this vehicle a very rare and unique car. So what makes it so special? It is the V12. It's got 510 horsepower, ceramic rotors on the brakes, as well as carbon fiber all over this car, front to back, inside and out. So what we're doing here at ICS is replacing the front carbon fiber splitter and doing some minor repairs to the mirror on it. So here's the new splitter they're going to be replacing up here. Like I said earlier, he had accidentally hit a curb, and as you can see, the damage to the carbon fiber. In this case, this made sense to replace the entire piece with a new one. Cost on this particular carbon fiber piece is $15,000. So if you own one of these, you do not want to run over a curb, obviously. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.